Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat.
Gandang gabi.
Dalawang bagay lang po for today. Una is, ang ating ibanghelyo ay nire-remind tayo kung ano dapat ang ultimate goal ng buhay natin. Pag sinasabing ultimate goal, ito po yung dapat bagay na inaasam-asam natin na kahit na pag mayroon na tayo nito, pwede na natin give up yung iba. Give up yung iba. And secondly, tinuturuan tayo ng Ebanghelyo kung paano to makakamtan. Sa ating gospel, yung mga disipulo, they asked Jesus, sabi nila, "Who is the greatest in the kingdom of heaven?" Ultimate goal in life, ito yung tanong. Who is the greatest in the kingdom of heaven? By the mere fact that they asked, ibig pong sabihin, gusto nilang makapunta sa langit. And that must be the ultimate goal in life. Heaven, to be with God. Naalala ko nung nasa Humunon Island pa ako, yung mga nag-mission po sa akin for a month, bago sila umuwi, the very last day, yung last day po, di ko makakalimutan yung sinabi nila. "Father, baka di na po tayo magkita." Sabi nila sa akin, "But don't forget, Father, see you in heaven." See you in heaven. Sana tayong lahat, ang pangarap, number one na pangarap sa buhay, ay ang makamtan ang langit. Makamtan ang langit. Ewan ko po ba, kasi minsan, most often, I believe, nakakalimutan natin ito. Yung hinahabol-habol natin, kasikatan. Yung hinahabol-habol natin, kapangyarihan. Yung hinahabol-habol natin, pera. But today, we are being reminded that heaven must be our ultimate goal. Pangalawa, yung tanong ng mga disipulo ay, who? Sino? Who is the greatest? Pero yung sagot ni Jesus malayo. Yung sagot niya is, yung tanong na how? Paano? Hindi tao. He brings a little child in front of them, and he said, "Unless you become like little children, you cannot enter the kingdom of heaven." Physically, a child is small. And smallness in the language of Jesus is important. Mahalaga po sa kanya ang maliliit na bagay. Mahalaga sa kanya ang mahirap. Yung maliliit sa society. And so Jesus transforms physical smallness into a disposition. And we call this bilang virtue as humility. Humility. Nitong nagdaang mga araw, inyong napansin, kung nagsimba po kayo, yung salmo was, "Here I am, Lord, I come to do your will." Being open to God's will. That's humility. Kahapon, yung gospel was about a paralytic who dinala ng kanyang mga kaibigan kay Jesus para mapagaling. And he was humble enough to accept his friend's help. That's humility. Being open to God's ways, being open to others. And so for today, two things. How do we get to heaven? It is by starting from down, going up. So mga kapatid, huwag pong kalimutan, ang ultimate goal sa buhay ay langit. At makakamtan natin ito sa pamamagitan ng ating mga kadambana, kasamang kadambana. Good evening po sa inyo lahat.
Please stand.